Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate Instagram account twice in a week. So if you want to deactivate, so basically let me tell you that you cannot deactivate your account twice in a week, because if you deactivate and if you just re-log in into the app just to reactivate your account, in the same week you cannot deactivate another time, because you have to wait for 14 days to deactivate your account once again. So but anyway guys, if you want to know how to deactivate, I will show you. You have to just go to the Instagram mobile application, and let me change my ID so that I can show you properly. And on the bottom right side corner, you have to click on your profile icon, right? And here in the edit profile, basically you will see that there is a no option to deactivate your account, so that you have to just go to the any of the Chrome browser. And as you go in the Chrome browser, you have to search Instagram. Because why I'm showing you in the browser, because there is a no option to deactivate your account in your phone, right? So you have to make sure that whenever you open Instagram in your phone, just open it a new tab so that it will get open in your phone in a browser. Now here you have to click on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right side corner. And as you click on there, it will take a very few seconds. Now here you have to click on the edit profile. Here you will find no option to deactivate. So basically you can see, yeah, here you can see temporarily deactivate your account in the edit profile, right? So here you can see it. So just click on temporarily deactivate my account, and here you have to select the reason why you want to deactivate. And if you enter the password here, your account will be deactivated till you don't reactivate it, right? So this is it guys. And if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.